If Steam is showing error 108, that usually means the Steam client is having trouble communicating with the server and it's timing out before it gets a response. The good news is that this is often caused by cached browser data or a DNS issue, and both can usually be fixed in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll show you how to troubleshoot Steam error 108 step by step, so you can get back into Steam without wasting time. If this guide helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Let's jump right in. First, we're going to reset Steam's internal browser data. Open Steam, then go to Settings, and click on In-Game. From there, look for the option that says Delete Web Browser Data. This clears out temporary browser files that can interfere with Steam's connection and cause loading issues. After deleting that data, make sure you fully exit Steam. To do that properly, open Task Manager and end any Steam processes that are still running in the background. Next, we'll clear a few Steam cache folders manually. Press Windows key +R on your keyboard to open the run box. Type this path exactly as shown, %local app data, %\steam, then hit Enter. This will open the Steam folder stored on your computer. Inside that folder, find the htmlcache folder, the overlay folder, and the Widevine folder. Delete all three of those folders. Don't worry, Steam will recreate anything it needs when you relaunch it. This step helps remove corrupted files that can block Steam from loading properly or connecting to the server. Once those folders are deleted, go ahead and relaunch Steam. In many cases, that alone is enough to fix error 108. But if you're still seeing the same problem, the next thing to check is your DNS settings. Sometimes your ISP's default DNS server is slow to resolve Steam's content delivery network, which can cause the request to time out and trigger error 108. To fix that, open your network settings on Windows and look for the option to edit the DNS server assignment. If it's set to automatic, switch it to manual. Then enter a reliable DNS provider like Google DNS or Cloudflare DNS. For Google, you can use 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. For Cloudflare, use 1.1.1.1 and 1.0.0.1. Save the changes, then restart Steam and try again. A faster and more reliable DNS can make a big difference when Steam is trying to reach its servers. If Steam still gives you error 108 after that, restarting your PC and router can also help refresh the connection. But in most cases, clearing Steam's browser data, deleting the cache folders, and switching DNS will solve the issue. So to recap, if you're stuck on Steam error 108, first clear Steam's internal browser data, then delete the htmlcache, overlay, and Widevine folders from the Steam local app data directory, and finally change your DNS to Google or Cloudflare in your network settings. These steps fix the most common causes of this error and can get Steam working again fast. If this video helped you out, please hit that like button, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and leave a comment if you want me to cover more Steam error fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.